Hi. For our session, we actually have a couple of ambitious objectives. The first one is to try to have as much fun and as much challenge as possible. Now, the fun will hopefully come from playing together a collaborative management simulation called EagleRacing that we developed and which will help us facing a number of complex managerial decisions. Face some crisis situations and also realize how hard it can be to reach consensus under time pressure. Now, we are not just going to come together to play this simulation. Our objective is to try to go beyond and use the simulation game as a basis for generating and exploring a number of insights. A number of insights all related to a subject we will address, which is collaboration. And we are going to do it by addressing a number of pretty relevant questions, like for instance this one. Let me show you. How can we reach higher performance through collaboration? And this within our teams, especially in our teams of people who are more and more distributed and more diverse, like in our organizations. How can we reach higher performance through collaboration in our organizations, where we talk a lot about collaborating, but the reality is that we don't really do it all the time. Also because there are a number of barriers. So we're also going to explore some of the barriers which prevent us to establish a more collaborative culture in our organizations. And ultimately we'll also go beyond the boundaries of our organizations and try to see how these new forms of collaboration allow us to reach out to different types of stakeholders, customers, suppliers, the market and society in general. And through this we are going to touch towards the end of the session a number of collaboration trends. Think about Wikipedia, think about Web 2.0. These are all great examples of how global collaboration can contribute to add value, to create value in a totally new way. And this is, if you want, the last of the questions we're going to address towards the end of the session, which is actually the question, how are social media and technology actually enabling the emergence of new forms of value creation, again, through collaboration. And this will also lead us, obviously, to reflect about issues like which are the competences, which are the attitudes that we expect in managers, that we expect in organizations, in order to be able to kind of reach out and explore these new ways of generating value through collaboration. So, these are our ambitious objectives. I am looking forward to it. I hope you too. Bye.